For those of us working at a desk, neck pain, headaches, tension up in here is a very common pattern. Usually that's a result of us, even at our best efforts, ending up in a position like this, looking at a screen like this. Those that also feel these types of symptoms are long commuters, truck drivers, etc. So first and foremost, something is what we always want to focus on is posture, starting with the pelvis with a little bit of a tilt forward, helps align everything up a little taller. Now, to alleviate some of the immediate discomfort, we're just going to go over some simple chin tucks. So I want you to think about your chin on a drawer slide. It cannot go up and down, it's simply going forward and backwards. Standing or sitting nice and tall to begin, elongate the neck. You can use your fingers as a cue. You're simply going to pull back, release, pull back, release. You can do them sets and reps as such. You can do some holds, whatever feels good. You can use the floor or wall for additional cueing as you kind of feel that lengthen in the back, but not necessarily necessary because you can do this wherever.